There was a split second, just before you clicked, when something inside whispered, "Wait." You almost ignored it. But you didn't. That pause wasn't random. It was your deeper intelligence saying, "This moment matters. You're here because you're ready." Most scroll past. But you sensed there was more. You stayed. And that choice has already shifted your path. Right now, your system is crossing a threshold. Your breath deepens. Your focus sharpens. Dormant pathways are lighting up. This isn't passive watching. It's conscious activation. This is the kind of moment you'll look back on and say, "That's when everything changed." The universe rarely shouts. It speaks in whispers, a pull in your chest, a sudden stillness. It's testing your attention, and you passed. Your ego craves safety. But your soul? It's been asking for this disruption. This is your answer. Science confirms. Your subconscious decides before your mind catches up. By the time you hesitated, your deeper self had already chosen to stay. This isn't just reading. It's energetic alignment. Your frequency syncing with a higher possibility. Real transformation begins like this. A pause, a flicker of recognition, a choice to stay when everything says to run. That's where change takes root. This instant is your pivot between the life you've repeated and the one waiting to emerge. Feel it. Your energy is open. New frequencies are locking in. Your nervous system, your heart's field, they're recalibrating. Breathe. Stay here. Let it unfold. That pressure in your chest. That's not anxiety. It's urgency. Your higher self saying, "This matters." Pay attention. Most mistake this for stress. But urgency is how the universe communicates in real time. A coded transmission tuned only to you. Ignore it, and you stay in the loop. Acknowledge it, and you open a portal. Right now, multiple futures converge. Every choice anchors you in the past or propels you forward. This urgency isn't external, it's internal. Your field has reached a tipping point. 7% scroll away. But you stayed. You're listening. That alone sets you apart. Your old identity will whisper, "Nothing's happening." But you feel it. The shift is already in motion. Breathe. Let the old voice speak, but don't obey it. You're the one choosing now. Your future self, the one already free and aligned, is reaching back through time, guiding you forward. And every second you stay here, you don't chase that version, you become it. The quantum field doesn't track your past. It mirrors your now. Right this instant, you're choosing a new frequency, to listen instead of scroll, to stay instead of flee, to trust instead of doubt. And the field is responding. Reality is bending around that choice. This is the split, where your old timeline ends and your upgraded life begins. You're not earning this. You're embodying it. Not because you're perfect, but because you're present. Think of it like tuning a radio. For years, you've been locked on the station of limitation, doubt, repetition, fear. But now, you're turning the dial. You're tuning into a new signal. Clarity, expansion, alignment. And as you do, the old broadcast fades. Your higher self has always been transmitting. You just weren't listening. Now, the signal is clear. This shift isn't loud. It's quiet, deep, unmistakable. And once you recognize it, you can't unsee it. Awareness itself is the transformation. You may not see external proof yet, but everything is shifting beneath the surface. Your field is recalibrating. New experiences and opportunities are already being drawn to your new frequency. Trust the subtlety. Trust the quiet knowing in your body, your breath, the stillness in your mind. You are not the same person who started reading. That version is already behind you. You've crossed a threshold. Now the only question is, how far will you let this take you? Quantum leaps aren't explosions. They're the quiet compounding of micro shifts until the outer world reflects your inner truth. This is manifestation. This Is consciousness meeting alignment? And right now, you're standing at the edge, not because you've mastered everything, but because you've done the one thing that matters. You showed up. You stayed. You opened. The quantum field runs on a simple law. Energy follows attention. For years, your focus was scattered. But now, your attention is focused. Your energy is concentrated, and the field is responding. This is how leaps happen, not through force, but through presence. Not through doing, but through being. And right now, you're being more than you have in a long time. That openness, that awareness, it's the portal, because the field mirrors who you are, not what you want. And right now, you are aligned, elevated, receptive. Now about 11:11, this isn't coincidence. It's a frequency marker, a cosmic nudge. You're in the flow. Pay attention. In numerology, 11 is a master number. Awakening, intuition, spiritual activation. Doubled, it's a portal within a portal. If you've been seeing it repeatedly, you're in a window of accelerated manifestation. The veil is thin. What you focus on now crystallizes faster, but most see 11:11 and do nothing. They miss the message. This is your moment. Choose, align, create. So next time you see 11:11, use it. Pause, breathe, ask, what was I just thinking? What was I feeling? That thought? That emotion? That's the seed the universe wants you to nurture. If it's aligned, amplify it. If it's limiting, release it. This is a conscious interruption, a chance to redirect your energy toward what you truly wish to create. And if 11:11 has been showing up for you now, this isn't random. You're being called to step into a new level of conscious creation. Your intuition is sharper. Your connection to source is stronger. This is your window. So here's your aligned action. Type this. I am aligned with my highest timeline. Don't skip it. This is a declaration to the quantum field, a ripple that moves energy from invisible to visible. As you type it, feel it, because manifestation isn't wishing. It's intention made visible through action. Watch for opportunities. In a conversation, a sudden idea that feels downloaded, an email that arrives at just the right second. These aren't coincidences, they're orchestrations, but recognition is only step one. Action is where most stall. They feel the nudge, then wait for proof, for certainty. But the quantum field doesn't work that way. It responds to movement, to stepping forward, even when the path isn't lit, because the full picture only reveals itself in motion. This is the nature of quantum opportunity. It asks for trust, not control, for the willingness to move before you feel ready. Opportunity often wears the disguise of discomfort or unfamiliarity. That's not a warning, it's the edge of expansion. Every aligned choice, even a small one, compounds. Each yes strengthens your new timeline, your future self, the one living in clarity and flow is guiding you right now. And if this resonates, if you feel that deep inner yes, I invite you to subscribe, not just to the channel, but to this frequency, to this space of conscious creation. This is joining a quantum network, a collective raising its vibration together. So hit subscribe as a declaration. I'm committed. I'm ready. Right now the universe isn't waiting. Every second is charged with potential, ready to collapse into your reality through aligned action. True action isn't frantic, it's inspired. It hums with quiet certainty, that inner knowing. It's your future self whispering, go, this is the way. And when you act on it, the field responds instantly, drawing people, resources, and miracles toward you. You don't need grand gestures. Send the message. Make the call. Show up. Small, consistent actions create waves. Fear will rise. Doubt will murmur. That's not a stop sign. It's confirmation you're expanding. Lean in. Step anyway. Notice the energy in your body right now. The warmth in your chest. The quiet hum in your hands. That's resonance. The field is saying, you're on track. Don't wait for someday. The quantum window is open. Now act from alignment, not force. Move from trust, not fear. And watch as reality bends to meet your courage. And the next time you see 1111, pause, breathe, smile. Remember this moment. Remember the choice you made to stay, to listen, to align, because 1111 isn't just a sign. It's an invitation to co-create, a sacred pause, a chance to reconnect and say, thank you. I'm here. Let's go. Thank you. To the universe, to your higher self, to the unseen intelligence weaving these moments. Gratitude amplifies everything. It tells the field, yes, more of this. Right now, you're at the threshold of sealing your new timeline, not through effort, but through clarity, trust, and conscious choice. Feel it in your body, that quiet hum, the warmth in your chest. That's your higher self saying, this is yours, claim it. The quantum field mirrors certainty, not hesitation. So speak it. I am aligned with my highest reality. I claim this timeline. I walk in it now. Repeat it until your whole being resonates. Every repetition locks in your frequency. You're no longer waiting. You're already co-creating from wholeness, not lack. And about 1111, it's not just a number you see, it's a state you embody. 11 is the balance point between action and surrender, between the physical and the divine. When you live in that frequency, you become the portal. You don't just notice miracles, you generate them. The truth is, every breath is a portal, every moment is divine timing. So don't wait for the numbers to remember who you are. Trust the feeling in your body. Trust the quiet knowing in your heart. You are the signal. You are the alignment. Now, one final act. Scroll down and leave one word in the comments. Just one, aligned. Awake, sovereign, ready, free. As you type it, feel it. That word becomes your vibrational signature, a flag planted in your new reality. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Not for content, but to stay coherent with this frequency. Together, we're not just shifting lives, we're rewiring collective consciousness. Every time you see 1111 from now on, let it be your sacred pause, your reset, your reminder, your seen, your guided. This is real. The field is real. Your transformation is real, and you are exactly where you need to be. Closing activation. I am the creator of my reality. I am aligned, empowered, and unstoppable. My new timeline unfolds with grace. I recognize every moment as a portal. I am awake. I am becoming. If this resonated, share it. You might be the sign someone's been waiting for. Your journey is just beginning. Your highest self is guiding every step. Trust the process. Trust the signs. Trust yourself. Before you go, there's one more layer. The phrase, I am, isn't just words. It's a quantum gateway, the most powerful manifestation tool you possess. When activated, it restructures reality itself. Watch what comes next to discover how to wield it. Thank you for staying. Thank you for choosing awakening over comfort. You are the 1%, and because you see, everything changes.